The Clarke JS1224Li is a powerful, compact and portable lithium-ion power source suitable for home, garage, forestry or roadside applications with an impressive list of features. Weighing a surprisingly light 2.8 kilograms, it is suitable for both 12 and 24-volt systems. It offers a high starting current for larger vehicles of 600 amps with a peak of 1200 amps at 12 volt and 300 amps with 600 amps peak at 24 volt. The JS1224Li is capable of jump-starting diesel engines up to 5 litres and petrol engines of up to 8 litres. It is ideal for starting vehicles that have stood for a while and require a shot of power to get them running again. It's capable of starting up to 50 cars on a single charge. The powerful 32 amp-hour lithium-ion maintenance-free internal batteries are charged with a supplied 230-volt mains charger. And if unused, the JS1224Li only requires charging every 3 months. When powering up the unit, the digital display will show the battery's state of charge and warn you if it requires recharging. If the clamps are wrongly connected to the battery, the screen will show a reverse polarity warning. It also features a bright LED worklight, which has flash and SOS modes. A selection of power outputs are available, including 2 5-volt USB sockets and a vehicle 10-amp rated cigarette lighter style power outlet. An included 3-in-1 device adapter cable converts a USB output to suit most mobile phone, tablet or camera connections. The JS1224Li features a gripped carry handle, making it easy to transport, with integrated storage for the booster cables to keep everything neat and tidy. If you ever have the need to start tractors, cars, vans, lorries, motorbikes, or just about anything with a flat or weak 12 or 24-volt battery, the JS1224Li is for you and will provide many years of reliable service.